The tools you'll require are a hammer, a sharp Stanley knife, and a pair of pliers for pulling out any nails you may have bent, and of course a handful of nails. And then the materials you will require to make the frame, that will consist of a top bar, which has got a loose piece of wood attached to it, you'll have to cut off later. 2 side bars, which have grooves in to take the wax in due course. The sides of these side bars, one is bottom bars to pin the foundation into place. And of course, some foundation. The method of construction is first to cut off the loose piece of wood from the top bar with the Stanley knife. This piece of wood will be used to anchor the foundation in the frame at a later date. So we'll call it the anchor strip. Put that to one side. And now take the 2 side bars and note where the groove is. The groove must face the groove in the top bar. Push those in so they fit fairly securely. Again, make sure the groove faces the groove in the top bar. Turn the whole lot over, and with your hammer, tap the top bar to seat it securely in the bottom bar. Now lay the construction flat on the worktop and take a nail and you'll see that is being nailed into the shaped side of the side bar. Put that in at an angle, and the other side bar at this point will have a flat face. So put the nail in vertically into the flat face. Turn the whole lot over, and now the opposite side from the flat face you'll find is shaped. Again, put the nail in at an angle so that it fits flush with the chamfered edge. Apply another nail. This is again to a flat face, so this bit is done vertically. Hammer the nails home so they're nice and secure. Now take one of the bottom bars and push it into the groove in the side bar and tap it home with a hammer. Make sure that that top bar, that bottom bar is on the opposite side from where you cut the anchor piece. Take the foundation and you'll notice that there are loops of wire on one edge of the foundation. Bend these loops of wire over 90 degrees. You'll be nailing through those loops in a later stage. slide the foundation into the grooves, making sure that it sits firmly onto the bottom of the top bar. You can see there the anchor piece being placed on top of the wire loops. Make sure it's firmly seated against the top bar and put the nails into the loops of the foundation wiring. You'll need 4 nails along this side. Again, make sure that it's in the loop. And make sure the nails are not protruding. You've nailed them well home. Put the frame on end and take the last of the bottom bars and tap those into the grooves. And those 2 bars now need nailing into place. Nail them straight down into the side bars, so that in the future, should you want to change the wax in the frame, you can do so by removing these 2 bottom bars. They will not take any strain. Their only purpose is to reinforce the foundation. When you've finished this nailing, make sure that the unit is square and it is not twisted. And that's it. Job done.